再不熟，这个搞 marketing。
Excuse me, my name is Johnny Singlish from Singapore. I've been at this show since the first one started more than 10 years ago. I think I missed only 2 or 3 times. But can I ask you, would you like to interview me? I got something very interesting to share with you on filming, I think, technology. Okay.
So what kind of thing
Okay, you see this camera here? This is actually meant for spying, which is made by a Taiwanese manufacturer. And I'm using it for fun and for business and for recreation filming without holding onto it. So actually I can drink and eat using my hand. And most of the time in Singapore, many of the reporter is going to be my customer. Yeah. So this is also another of the same device here. So usually you're holding like what I see just now. So it's a microphone. But the one actually filming is a video cameraman, which is him. So with this accessory here, I can actually aim the front and one to aim at my own self. So I have 2 angle filming, the VIP and my own self, which is you are the reporter.
So but 2 sides?
Yeah, in fact 4 or as many. So if there's a big event going on, then you can even have another 2 more, so you get quads filming. Like you see all these quads, so you get 4 camera. So I also have plenty of all this accessory to help reporters. If you are blocked, let's say from behind, because not every time you can always have the big camera to do the filming. So with this camera, it is called Filmo Babies Reborn, FBI Reborn. You stick on top, you just raise the rod and then film above people's head, just like that. Yeah. So what I just like to say, if you want to do an interview on me, it's up to you. But I'm sharing this latest technology, usually only available in filming, big equipment, and you need the technical crew. Like in cinema filming, you need lots of people. So how are you going to film from the top to the bottom? But with all my accessory, this is just average rod. So I have those that even as long as the ceiling. So from the top you can aim down, and you alone can film in any difficult scenario, any difficult situation, anywhere. Yeah, for extreme sports filming.
I think we can have a short interview, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and you can introduce the...
Sure. I didn't bring my card this time to this show. I left it behind in Singapore. But I can give you my email, and you can give me yours. I will email you very interesting videos which I film even actors and actresses in Singapore. It's just for sharing what's going on in the latest technology. Where I make actually filming so simple and affordable to the masses, to old people and to children as well.
We just take it briefly, okay?
Yes, briefly. Okay. Sing. 好。And my luggage is just like a tripod. If I stick the camera here, I can pull anywhere to film. Let's say together with you. So I don't need anybody to help me.
Okay.
Yeah. So should I hold the microphone?
First you have to introduce yourself.
Okay.
Name and the country.
Okay. All right. Is this on now?
You'll say action and then you.
Okay. Right.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Hello, I'm Johnny Singlish from Singapore, and I'm at Supertech right now. Oh, okay. All right. What I have here, you can see my cap has a filming device which is called FBI Reborn, which is like this video cameraman using a very bulky and professional set. And with FBI Reborn, you can stick it anywhere or on your cap to film hands-free. So you can drink and eat and film easily. And the other piece that I'm holding on my hand, it looks like a gun right now, is also FBI Reborn. This will be used by reporters starting from Singapore and follow internet, across the world, which will make filming easy for anyone, not forgetting grandpa, grandma, kids, pets, and most important for the handicapped also, because as handicapped it's quite difficult to do filming in any places. They're all by themselves.
Is that the camera on your hand?
Yes, it's a
Lens or?
okay. This will be known in the electronic industry as micro camcorder, professional micro camcorder that can film like this expensive and a big one without function like the zoom and more of the other function. In fact, I call it NG, no gimmicks. No gimmicks, because when you click one time, there's a vibration. So when you click the second time, it starts filming. Especially for ladies, if you encounter threats or danger, so if you have it in your pocket or you strap it on your hand, then you just click one time, and if you like to film maybe some dangerous people, then you can film it and give it to the police or you go to court. Yeah, because you need evidence when you make a report to the police or when you go to court.
So how about the pixels?
The pixel is in HD 1080. Yep. Right now, I also call this as NG National Geographic. You've seen on TV, National Geographic. So children and adults can film the wildlife all by themselves. But one camera, if one FBI Reborn is really incredible. But you film in multiple. The first camera filming the second camera and the wildlife, that will make it even more interesting to watch. So what I come out with all these ideas and solutions, I dare claim first in the world to make filming easy for anybody, because everybody like filming, but holding or even without holding any filming gadget, you hold your hand straight. So you need to film at eye level or higher. You just hold it for 5 to 10 minutes, you get tired. So see, I go around the show, I film what I see easily, like not filming at all, and I have my drink and I can eat along the way. Yeah. So just to make it simple for you to understand.
Okay, so one more shot, you can say welcome to Secretary Taiwan. Blah, blah, blah.
All right. Okay. I'm Johnny Singris in Secretech.
One more. You have to.
Yeah. Okay. I'm Johnny Singris signing off in Secretech right now. This must be my at least 10th time in the show. I hardly miss, and I always enjoy every minute in this Secretech show. Yes. Cheers.
Excellent. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
你请他把那个升上来。
这个拉起来啊。
拉起来，然后
OK
你转慢慢拉起来，我也要拍。
OK 好。
慢拉，然后转动一下，类似拍的样子。
啊，你看现在我换了，现在这个已经在拍了啊，还在拍哦。
你不是说
对
起来可以？
对，因为我要用这个粘土啊，一点点粘土啊。
了解。
不必用很多，这粘土啊，你看粘在哪里啊，都可以。OK，My FBI Reborn is filming this cameraman. So, filming, I can film from the top, looking down, as high as possible. And from the further and high angle, you get better video. So if you are a good singer, a karaoke, you can sing very well. Just go to a karaoke, quite KFC. Karaoke, film camcorder. So which means I can go around, just like see cinema, then even spin or turn slowly. Right. So you can even film from downwards up. Yeah. Otherwise, in cinema, you need the technical crew and expensive equipment. You have to climb over the place to do filming. So in this case, you see, I'm filming him right now. But if I were to do this way, let's have a look. I'm not sticking a lot. There you are. You're filming. You are filming our own stuff right now. Our own stuff. So you virtually do filming all by yourself very easily with this filming gadget or FBI Reborn, plus my filming ideas and solution. Yeah.
OK，
Okay,
谢谢谢谢。
Can I have your email? I have 2,000 over videos already uploaded into YouTube. I just emailed to you. You can go and watch all by yourself. Yeah. Just 1 minute. I'm just happy to share. Yeah, because these are very high grade, expensive. You see, I'm sticking on the tripod and I move away from here. Can you stand a bit further? Can you stand a bit further? We are filming our own self now. There's no need to get anyone to help me. So I think when I at trade show, I like to see myself in the video. So nobody's going to help you. So just stick anywhere on the exhibition, the panel, or anywhere. So I can film maybe like you and him together.
How to make the film?
Okay, can you stand here? When I video to you, when I upload to YouTube, I email to you, then you will know how incredible it is.
I don't think it's... Is there a card?
Yes,
memory
micro SD card. You just hold this. So just aim straight like a gun, then you're filming. Yeah, this is a rechargeable battery because my camera battery has gone flat. So you can charge and film together up to 12 hours using a 32 gig. Yeah. So let me give you a paper if you can write down. I visit a lot of trade show, so I'm doing filming services for customer. So they pay me to go for any trade show in the Asian city. So they will tell me, baby, this show they want to focus on a few company, then I get all the information for them. And if you want to do it for spine, that I'm really in the spine trade. You shove this into this Ricola candy, there's a hole, then you can film secretly for evidence. I came in a hurry, so I forgot a few things. Okay. Have you got a pen? Have you got a pen with you? Yeah. So 你可以试看，这个，然后你戴个帽子啊，那你就可以拍了。这个镜头在哪里？镜头在前面，看这么小啊，看这个不会错的啊，这样，因为这样我用这个 battery， 我的 camera 已经有电了。OK。
Full HD。
HD， 我 email 给他，then maybe you can forward the email to him 啊，你看你就懂了啊。So CB
language.
Oh, CB language. Oh, okay. That's a company's name. CB language.
所以它录到行动硬碟不用电，这是行动硬碟吗
OK， 其实录啊就是这个东西而已，因为现在我的电啊，刚才已经快要完了，没有啊。那就是假如用这个很，
这是什么？这储存一样是这个，
对，好像你去外面呢运动啊，或者去爬山啊，可能是半天 recreation，you know can be half a day or 1 day. So with this rechargeable battery, you can strap like your cell phone on the arm pouch or anywhere in the body. There's a battery. Then I got a longer cable, so you can stick it on your cap. I call it like the American movie, American serial TV.
Can I know the price?
In Singapore, I'm selling for $300. $300 and below. For student, I sell only for 220 Singapore dollar. Yeah, but these are all professional, used for 100% spine, sold at a very high price. So I want to make it affordable to the masses in Singapore. So young people and old people like to film. Until today, you know, filming is always very tiring. So I'm the first in the world to come up with all these ideas and solutions. My expertise is in the spy trade for the police, international. So spy all the gadget and the services.
Don't you have business cards?
I left it in Singapore. I came here in a hurry. Yeah. But I will email to you. I will definitely email to you my contact and the video, which is the most important. Yeah. So if you go for the holiday, so let's say like one day, then you use the battery. So for example, you're attending seminar or classes. With these, I got a longer cable, then I got the rod, then there's a stand. You just put it on the table. You can film the speaker or the lecturer talking or giving lessons or whatever. Yeah. Then for this one, you see a lot of ladies like to go to the front to film the idols, not the singer and the actress. Then they always get blocked. So this, just how I explained, how easy you can go above. When I film on the car show, I think the other time, all the guys go to the front, want to film the sexy models, and I'm the cool guy behind. So it doesn't matter, I get blocked, and I just have to default my camera, and everybody looking at my camera. You just aim, aim. 那这个就是可以放在手或者你的身体啊，在外面运动啊，就是你要拍整天啊，你才用这个了，不然呢，就是 battery 充满了可以拍2个小时20分钟，用一个8G。
比 GoPro 还久啊！啊，比 GoPro 还久 ，GoPro 只能拍。
对。
超1个小时不到。
对，好像这样你在拍什么？你不要，你戴个帽子啊，你的头就是一个 tripod， 你拍到什么都，你看到什么都拍到什么。
GoPro 拍过赛车运动。
对 ，exactly. They'll be used for. Yeah, I just film myself in cycling. One last thing, if a longer rod or 2-piece join together, if you put it on the floor, then it's not tired. Then you film not only the important, the singer or the idol, you can spin 360 degrees. Then you film the crowd shouting like crazy.
How long is the longest?
This is slightly less than 4 feet, but I got so many different kind of rod sticks. How long do you want it? I have it, as long as a rugby pole. Thanks again. How do I address you? Your name, Cami?
Yeah.
Spell as? C-A-M-Y. Thank you very much, Cami. Thank you. You're giving me more than 2 minutes. No. By the way, Cami, I've been to Taipei already more than 100 over times for business. 我已经来过台北啊，已经100多次了。OK, I love Taipei. Bye bye.